In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and easily duplicate an entire Google Slides presentation into a new slide deck. To start, you'll need to log into your Google account. Once you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage where all of your current presentations are displayed. At this stage, you have a couple of options. You can create a brand new slide deck to copy your slides into, or you can choose one of the available templates if you prefer. This new file will serve as the destination for your duplicated slides. If you're opting to start from scratch, select a blank presentation. Alternatively, a pre-made template can offer a great starting point if you're looking for specific design ideas. With your new presentation open, direct your attention to the top of the page where the toolbar is located. Click on the File menu to reveal a drop-down menu. In this drop-down, look for an important feature that we're going to make use of, which is called Make a Copy. This option is specifically designed for duplicating slides, ensuring you don't lose any original formatting or content. Once you click Make a Copy, you'll see a few different choices. You'll want to select Entire Presentation. This action guarantees that all of your slides from the original presentation are fully copied into the new deck, preserving all of your hard work and formatting without a hitch. At this point, you may be prompted to give this new presentation a name and decide on a location within your Google Drive for saving it. This step is important as it helps keep everything organized, especially if you're managing multiple projects or sharing your work with others. A clear naming convention and logical file placement can save you time later on. After completing these few simple steps, voila! You now have a complete copy of your original Google Slides presentation in a new file, ready to be edited or shared as needed. This method is both quick and user-friendly, making it an ideal approach when you're handling multiple versions of a presentation or distributing them to different audiences. Mastering these small yet vital tasks can significantly enhance your efficiency, streamlining your workflow every time you work with presentations. It's all about making technology work for you, helping you focus on creating great content rather than getting bogged down in technical details. Thank you so much for watching today. If you have any additional questions or if something wasn't quite clear, feel free to reach out for further assistance. Best of luck with your future presentations, and remember, the more you practice, the more proficient you'll become.